I just wanted to get on here to show you this K Archer electric pressure washer. What comes with it. We're going to put it all together and we're going to go outside and use it a little bit to see how it works. This right here is what comes with it. Handle, wheels, your surface cleaner, you get some universal fluid, some nozzle type. I haven't figured out what they all do yet. And here's another nozzle type, probably the high pressure one. The brush for cleaning. And here's the gun. Here's the actual unit itself. So I have got to, here's the hose. I've got to put it all together and we'll test it out. Let's see how it works.